Have you ever marveled at the immense Roman structures, like the Colosseum or the Pantheon, and wondered how they moved and shaped such colossal stones with what seems like primitive technology? The Romans did not possess the advanced machinery we have today, but they were masters of engineering who utilized a specialized array of hand tools, levers, and ingenious techniques to extract and prepare massive quantities of stone for their ambitious building projects. Their success stemmed from a deep understanding of geology and the properties of different stone types, coupled with highly organized labor. For softer stones like tufa, they primarily used picks, hammers, and chisels. When dealing with harder materials such as marble or granite, they employed a combination of iron wedges, wooden wedges, and the strategic application of fire and water. The fire would heat the rock, causing it to expand, and then cold water would be poured on it, creating thermal shock that would crack the stone along natural fault lines, making it easier to split. The quarrying process itself was methodical. After identifying a suitable rock face, Roman engineers would mark out the intended block dimensions. Workers would then use picks to cut channels around the block. Once isolated on three sides, wedges, often made of iron, were driven into pre-drilled holes along the base to split the block from the bedrock. Wooden wedges, soaked in water to expand, were also used effectively. After extraction, preliminary shaping and trimming occurred right at the quarry using chisels and hammers to reduce weight for transport and to begin the process of squaring the blocks. Beyond the basic tools, Roman quarry masters also relied on advanced practical knowledge and simple but effective precision instruments. For example, they used plumb bobs and set squares to ensure blocks were cut perfectly level and square, which was critical for stable construction. The sheer scale of their operations meant that quarries were highly organized industrial sites, often managed by military personnel or experienced contractors, who oversaw vast teams of skilled craftsmen and enslaved people working in coordinated shifts. Ultimately, the incredible durability and scale of Roman architecture stand as a testament not to a single miraculous tool, but to an intelligent system. It was the careful selection of appropriate tools for each type of stone, combined with an ingenious understanding of natural forces and meticulous organization of labor, that allowed the Romans to carve an empire from stone.